Hey, it's your girl, your favorite paralegal, aka Cassandra Lynn, and welcome to Legal Doc Talk. This is probably some breaking news that is out of Fulton County, Georgia, with the YSL case. The judge that was actually just assigned the case has now recused herself. Let's hop on into it. So, first and foremost, y'all, I tried to pull the order of recusal that was filed this morning. However, I'm thinking because a lot of people is trying to get this document, it is not working. So I'm only able to get the first page, which is totally okay because I am sure what it says on the second page. But to kind of sum everything up, 2 days ago, Judge Ingram was assigned to take over Young Thug and all his associates, alleged associates cases. And then today, she recused herself. And based off of the order, and I'll read it to you guys, it clearly states, and I'm not going to read because some of it's not going to make sense. So let's see, where it says, so more specifically, the deputy assigned to and responsible for the courtroom and personal security of the undersigned for nearly 6 months was arrested. Said deputy, who was still assigned to this court at this time of her arrest, is accused of colluding with defendant Eppinger during the current trial to commit a felony and endangering the safety of citizens within the Fulton County Courthouse. And there is a pending case, well, not pending, there is an open case that is in Fulton County right now. Because of the court's former assigned deputy could be called as a witness in any future proceedings in this case, the court may be called upon to assess the deputy's credibility or rule on matters related to her criminal prosecution. This may undermine the public's confidence in the impartiality of the proceedings. So, pretty much what this is saying is okay, so the former deputy may be called to the stand, right? The court may be called, specifically the judge may be called to um, assess the deputy's behavior, action, so on and so forth. So you have to keep some fairness going. So if that is the case, was not the case, that's what it says here. So pretty much that would be a conflict of interest in better terms. So what better way to not, have a conflict of interest and just go ahead and recuse yourself from that. So this order is pretty much asking that she be recused and that this case be assigned to another judge. If that is a good or a bad thing, oh man, I don't know. I just want this case to be over. Like, dismiss this case and let's go on that. Um Now, as far as what Miss Ingrid was talking about, she added that she doesn't think that the situation creates any actual bias for or against any party of the case, and she does not think it could cause a reasonable person to question the court's impartiality and reasonably give rise to the appearance of impropriety if she remained on the case. So pretty much what she's saying, if she did remain on the case, she's not going to let that get away in the way of her, doing, if she is asked to speak on the actions of the former deputy sheriff, then she can do that. But at the end of the day, she didn't want to have any conflict of interest, so she said, let me just go ahead and recuse myself for that, because you know how us the public is, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and exit out there. Uh if we see, it was like, oh, so you're connected to this person and you're overseeing this case, we're going to look at it in a certain way. And that's what we don't want. And they don't want for the public to lose interest or hope in the court system because they're not being fair. So tell me what you guys think about this. This is a circus at this point. This is a circus. But tell me what you think about this in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, be blessed, and I'm